In today's competitive world, which is progressing probably at the fastest possible pace, staying motivated and inspired is the strongest need of the hour. And since ages, one technique that has been proved to be the most effective one is reading good motivational books. The beauty of this technique is that it is the simplest of all. So, why not easily apply to our daily lives? Also, as they say, books are your best friends. So why not get some? Most of the millionaires, billionaires today, they have the habit of reading motivational books on daily basis. This keeps them charged up through their entire day's work. Those who want to start their reading journey from today, or maybe those who might be already reading but want some more recommendations to read. So these are five really very powerful, motivational, and influential books that are a must read ones. Book number 1, The Alchemist, penned by the author Paulo Coelho. The Alchemist is a fiction based book. This book is a story about a shepherd named Santiago from Spain and his journey in the search of treasure. The book is all about having dreams, believing in them, and constantly hustling to achieve them. It encourages the readers that if you have faith in your dreams and if you let go of all the fears inside you, all you attract are the positive vibes from the universe. The author's way of putting up the incidents and teachings through them is just beautiful and commendable. Book number 2, The Secret by the author Rhonda Byrne. The book reveals a powerful secret to achieve our dreams. It describes the power and capacity of our thoughts to achieve almost anything in life. It revolves around the law of attraction. It discusses all about the magnetic power of our thoughts to attract what we actually desire to achieve. This book is available in various languages. Even there's a movie based upon this book, but it is definitely a must read book as reading has always been proved to be the most effective option. Book number 3 is Rich Dad Poor Dad by the author Robert Kiyosaki. The book revolves around different thought processes of two different dads. One is author's dad who is poor and the other is his friend's dad who is rich. The author in a very peculiar way has penned down that how your thought processes towards the same things can give different results. The book teaches why few people are financially very strong whereas others are very weak. It teaches how to be financially independent, how to make smart investments, and not be a careless spender. It comes up with a strong message that with time you need to update yourselves and your way of working and come out of those traditional ways of doing things. It teaches us that how strong and positive mindset can bring more wealth and good health. Book number 4, Who Will Cry When You Die, is written by the author Robin Sharma. It is an amazing book that describes how to make your life worthwhile. If you have a dream to achieve something in life or become a successful businessman or entrepreneur or be really good at your respective jobs or above all be a successful human being, then this is the book to immediately have your hands on. The author pens about the good habits you need to inculcate in yourself to train your body and mind. It talks about the power of meditation, everyday reading motivational books, watching motivational movies, talking to yourself in silence, thinking about your goals, not worrying about your hardships, and many such teachings. Above all, it guides you to lead a life you will be remembered for even when your soul will depart from your body. Book number 5, Think and Grow Rich. It is an amazing book written by the author Napoleon Hill. It is a book about self-development and how to become financially strong. The book emphasizes on having powerful thoughts and desires, having a strong imagination power, having faith in yourself that you can achieve something that you want to, avoiding procrastination, decision making, understanding the power of subconscious mind, getting rid from the fear of failures, and so on. Hence, it is a book just full of power and inspiring content. It is a masterpiece by Napoleon Hill. He has written this book after closely researching the lives of a number of millionaires and successful people. It has some really very powerful techniques and principles which, if you apply to your life, you definitely can make a lot of wealth. So guys, these were the 5 recommendations from my side. Hope I have done enough justice in providing you all with the right piece of information. So best of luck with your reading journey. Wish you all infinite success. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and share the video if you found the content to be useful. Also, you could subscribe to our channel Motivation Magnet for more such videos.